morning, students. Today we'll start exercise number 2.5. Solve the following equations. Solve. So, as already you know that solve means in first question variable. What is variable here? Variable means, so you have variable constant 2. Constant means its value does not change. 2 always 2 only, its value does not change. But x, n, a, b alphabets, whatever alphabets are there, in one problem x is equals to 2 will be there. In another problem x can be changed into 3, 5, something like that. So the variables values will be going on changing. The constants, its value always in any problem 2 is 2 only, 5 is 5 only, it won't change. So variable constants. So solve means it is equation because is equal to is equation. Okay. In this equation you have to make a variable as subject. So you have to find out the value of the variable. So variable means what I said now, alphabet. From A to Z, here one alphabet is there. What is that? N. So what you have to do? You have to make n as subject. You have to make n as subject. Okay. Now, so n is related with one term, n by 5. So n by 5 is one term. Okay. This is a term in which variable is involved. So what you have to do is constants should be taken to one side. So already is equal to right side for is equal to 2 by 3. It is a constant. 5 by 7 is also a constant. So what I am doing is this minus 5 by 7 I am taking to right hand side. So what I have to do is this n by 5 I am keeping here only. After is equal to whatever is it, just I am copying here 2 by 3 and minus 5 by 7 I am taking to right hand side and it becomes 5 by 7. Transposing minus quantity to right hand side. It gives positive quantity. Okay. So now see, this addition is very important. So however you want, you should not do. Okay. So this 2 plus 5 7, 3 plus 7 you should not add like that. Okay. So if you want to add two fractions, you have to take LCM. So that LCM for 3 and 7, 3 and 7 won't go in any table except one table. So the LCM of 3 and 7 is their product. So 3 sevens are, how much it is? 21. So 21 is LCM for 3 and 7. It is first step. So first find LCM like this. So you got 21. Now in first fractions denominator what you are saying here? 3. So read 3 table till you are getting LCM. 3 table if you have to read until 21 will come. 3 times 3 into how many times gives 21. 3 sevens are 21. Here this 7 you have to write here into this fractions numerator 2. So this is completed. Now in between if plus is there, plus you have to write it. If minus is there, minus you have to write it. Next now here how you done? Here also you should do same. Here you took 3 because in first fractions denominator is 3. In second fractions denominator is what here? 7. So you have to read 7 table up to 21 will come. 7 table if you read, when 21 will come? 3 times. That 3 should write here. It's a numerator 5. So some teachers will say do cross multiplication. Listen carefully. Cross multiplication you have to do when is equal to symbol is there. Because dividing quantity will go to here, it will multiply when it is crossing is equal to. So no teacher should say that x by 3 plus 5 by 7 do cross multiplication. Teacher should not say. So just for our understanding purpose they will say like that, but it is 100% wrong. When plus is there, don't do cross multiplication, don't use that word. Here 3 is dividing quantity, So it transposes to multiplying quantity when it is crossing is equal to. Okay, rules. In 7th class book will be there. Dividing quantity will go and it will transpose to multiplying quantity will go and transposes to division, like that it will be. Now leave it there. Now just understand like this, okay. Now what happens? So in BODMAS, see 7 into 2 plus 3 into 5 by 21. Some students what they will do, 7 they will write, into they will write, 2 plus 3, 5 they will write, into 5 they will write. So it's wrong. Why means, first what they are performing, they are doing addition. So in BODMAS rule, you have to come from here to here, okay. It is left to right you have to go. First addition is there or multiplication is there? First you have multiplication, M stands for multiplication. After multiplying only you have to go for addition. So first if you do addition, what happens, sir? The problem is wrong. So don't do addition first. First go for multiplication. Here multiplication symbol is there, here multiplication symbol is there. This plus symbol as it is you are writing. 7 2s are 14, 3 5s are 15 by 21. 14 plus 15 is how much? 29 by 21. So 29 by 21 is the value of what here? N by 5. But I want the value of what? N only. So to get N value, 29 by 21, this is 5. It is dividing here. If it is taking to this side, it will multiply. So now 29 by 21 into 5. 29 by 21 into 5. 5 means 5 by 1. Multiplying is numerator into numerator, denominator to denominator. 5 9s are 45, 5 4, 10 plus 4, 14, 145 by 20. So this is the value of N here. Okay, I hope that you understood. Practice 2 to 3 times and you can solve this one. Now we'll go with the next problem. Okay. What is next problem? We'll see here. In exercise 2.5, second problem is x by 3 minus x by 4 is equals to how much here? 14. So now, see, this is a term with variable, this is also a term with variable. You can't take variables to one side, means already variables are there in one side only. Now how to do it? So many methods are there, I'm saying same thing. So problem, maths, remaining, I don't know about it, but maths, one method it won't be there. Every teacher will say their own methods, okay. Now what you can do is, 3 and 4, you can take LCM. 3, 4, it will go in one table only. 1 3 is a 3, 1 4 is a 4. So in 3 table 3 will come, 4 it won't come. In 2 table and 4 table 4 will come, but 3 it won't come. So now the LCM for 3 and 4 is 12. Next, just now I explained how to do LCM. So in this first fraction, what is denominator 3? Read 3 table until LCM will come. 3 into how much is equals to 12. How much means what you have to say? 4. That 4 you are writing, you are multiplying its numerator, 4 into x. Now here which symbol is the same symbol you have to copy. Here how you done? Here also you should do same. Here 3 table you read because 3 is there in the denominator. Here which table you have to read? 4 table you have to read. Until 12 will come. 4 table if you read, when 12 will come means 3 times. That is 3 into, its numerator is what here? X. Remaining everything I copied same as it is from top to bottom. So in first step what is that? Same I copied. Now 4 into x. If anyone write 4x, its meaning is 4 into x. Means 4 into x means what you can write? 4x. So 4 into x is 4x. Minus 3 into x is 3x by 12 is equals to 14. From 4x, it is called subtraction. Subtract 3x. From 4x, subtract 3x. 4x minus 3x is x is equals to. This 12 is dividing entire. Take to this side. It will multiply. 14 into 12. So 14 into 12. 12 4 is 48. 8 4. 12 plus 4 168. You are getting 160. It is the value of x. solve means you have to find the value of the variable. X value you found it. Next we'll go for third problem, or otherwise this problem only in another method how you have to do. It's not another method, just simple. So in numerator you have x here, you have x here. I am taking x as common. So then what I will get, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 is equals to 14. So here x, okay, LCM for 4 and 3 is 12. 3 how many times will go? 4 times. 4 how many times will go? 3 times is equals to 14. Now x is equals to, or x into 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 by 12 is equals to 14. X by 12 is equals to 14. X is equals to 14 into 12. X is equals to 160. So, if you take x as common also, you got same. So, you can do in this method also. Okay. So, methods whatever it may be, if you do perfectly or correctly, it is alright and you will get the marks. Okay. Now, we will go for another problem. So, in this problem, what you are seeing here, z by 2 plus z by 3 z by 6 is equals to 8. Same, now I said one easy method. In all numerators you have z or not. That many times writing z instead of that, you can take z as common. Then you will get 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 6 is equals to 8. Now take LCM for 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6 LCM, 2 table, 3 table. So LCM for 2, 3, 6 is 6 only. Now z okay, and 6 you have to write is equals to 8. Now same in first fraction denominator, what is that 2 here? 2 table read up to 6 will come. How many times will go? 3 times. The 3 into 1 is 3 plus read 3 table until 6 will come. 2 times. 2 into 1 is 2. Read 6 table 1. So here z 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 by 6 is equals to 8. 6 by 6 means cancels. Z is equals to 8. It is the answer. It is simple one. Okay. We have to do very simply. Same problem we can do in another method, means by taking LCMs. Without taking Z as common also we can do. Same LCM will be 6 only. 2, 3 times will go. 3 into Z. 3 Z will come here. And here it is 2 Z will come. Here it is Z will come. Is equals to 8. 3Z, 2Z, Z. All are like terms. You can add. You are getting 6Z by 6 is equals to 8. Cancel 6 and 6. Z is equal to 8. So before one, this it is same. There you took Z as common. Here you did not take a Z as common. Okay. Next we will go with another problem. That is 2p by 3 minus p by 5 is equals to 11, 2 by. They are given like this, and what you have to do is you should simplify. Should simplify this one. Then what you have to do is for 3 and 5 the LCM is 15. 3 how many times will go? 5 times. 5 into 2p is 10p. 5 how many times will go? 3 times. 3p. This is the mixed fraction. Convert 3 11s to 33 plus 2, 35 by 3. From 10p, subtract 3p, you are getting 7p by 15 is equals to 35 by 3. So now 7p is equals to 35 by 3 into 15. By into 15 will come means 15 is dividing here. If you take this and multiply, 3 1s are 3 5s are. So p, you have to take 7 to this side. 35 into 5 by 7. 7 1s are 7 5s are. So you are getting p is equals to 5 5s are how much here? 25. So 25 is the answer. So this is exercise 2.5. So maximum try to do it. If you want one more sum, I will say to you. So it is the last sum. That is here 3t plus 1 divided by 16 minus 2t minus 3 by 7 is equals to t plus 3 by 8 plus 3t minus 1 by 14. So it is the problem. So here how we should do it, we'll see. 16 is there, 8 is there, 7 is there, 14 is there. So I am taking this t plus 3 by 8 this side, that is 3t plus 1 by 16 minus t plus 3 by 8, and here it is 3t minus 1 by 14, okay. Minus 2t minus 3 by 7 I am taking this side, 2t minus 3 by 7 will come. So why I took like this means LCM for 16 and 8 is 16, 14 and 7 LCM is 14. It becomes easy for you. 16 is LCM for these two. So 16 one time will go, means 3t plus 1 I have to write it, minus, okay, within brackets I have to write 8 how many times will go? 2 times, that is 2 into t plus 3 is equals to LCM for 14 and 7 is 14. Again 3t minus 1 will come. 7 how many times will go? 2 times. 2 into numerator 2t minus 3. Now simplification. 3t plus 1, okay, with minus 2 multiplied, minus 2t minus 6 by 16. Here 3t minus 1 minus 4t plus 6 by 14. Now 3t minus 2t is t. 1 minus 6 is minus 5 by 16 is equals to 3t minus 4t is minus t, minus 1 plus 6 is plus 5 by 14. Now if you want to do, you can do cross multiplication or take 16 to this side. I will write on the top one here. So I am copying this one. So here t minus 5 by 16 is equals to minus t plus 5 by 14. I am taking 16 to this side, okay. T minus 5 is equals to minus t plus 5 by 14 into 16 I written. Why I wrote like this? Can you say? 16 is dividing here, if I take to this it will multiply. 14 and 16 will go in which table? 2 table. 2 sevens are, 2 8s are. Okay. With this 8 I have to multiply this one or 7 take to this side. 7 into t minus 5 is equals to 8 into minus t is minus 80. 8 5s are 40. With 8 I multiplied these two. Okay. Now with 7 also multiply these two. This 7. So how much you will get it? 70. 7 5s are 35. Minus 80 plus 40. Bring variables to one side. 70, okay. Minus 80 is variable. Take to this side 80. And here 40 is constant. Minus 35 take to this side. Plus 35. Now 70 plus 80 is 15t is equals to 40 plus 35 is 75. T is equals to 75 by 15. So if you know 15 table you can cancel, otherwise 5 table. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 2, 25, 5 15s are, 3 1s are, 3 5s are. So how much you are getting? T is equals to, like this you can solve it. Okay. So thank you. Remaining problems just do as homework.